Hi, I'm Roy from Trevcon Services, LLC. I'd like to tell you a little bit today about the different commercial office cleanings we offer. We offer commercial office cleaning as well as janitorial and maintenance services for any of your commercial needs. We also clean walls and ceilings. We have a system called compression air blast. We come in and seal off completely all the affected areas in the restaurants, schools, whatever the building is. Then we're going to use our compressed air off our air duct truck to completely clean all the ceilings, walls, knock everything down, and then clean all the fixtures, bring it all the way down to the floor, and do a floor cleanup when we're done. This is a new process, and we're one of the first companies that are offering this. Give us a call at 586-464-7155. Just a list of some of the customers we cleaned over the years. We've done work for the Detroit Zoo. We've done work for the Detroit Police Department. We've cleaned 4 different precincts for the Detroit Police Department. We've done work for the state of Michigan, cleaning healthcare facilities. We've also done work for U.S. Steel. We are a current vendor for United States Steel. So we've been involved in a lot of commercial aspects. We do restaurant cleanings, big, small. Anything you need, we can take care of. Again, find us on Facebook, Trevcon Services LLC, or you can also find us on Instagram or Twitter at Trevcon Services LLC. Thanks again, and have a wonderful day.